Well, here we go. Nope, the dogs. I gotta go and fill up the bird feeders while I think of it and see what we got for bird feed this year. Before, man, you know, you can always tell when you live with somebody that doesn't pay the power bill. They leave the lights on everywhere. Okay, let's go. It's like winter out there almost. Temperature right now is 11 degrees Celsius, which is warm enough to wear a jacket. Now my wife's thinking I'm talking to her. Alright, let's go. First things first. Aha. My son threw... Oh, that's the drink. Hang on. Forgot about this. It's like... I don't know if you can get it in any other parts of the world, but this Canada Dry is cranberry ginger ale, and it is really good. Now, my son threw out the box that was for putting the suet in, and no idea where it is now. Huh. He's cleaned up in here, and now I don't know where anything is. Oh, there's a bag of dog food. Okay, we're going to need another one. So bless his heart for... How much did he leave here? Oh, that's not bad. Mower's full. Leave the poker under there. I'm missing my axe. The little one. I could have turned on the light that he turned. So this is all... Here it is. There. Throw that there. So that's handy. I don't want this anymore. Not everybody needs an axe. And this is for making kindling. On a cold day, you can sit in the garage here. Now, let's go. Wow, brightness. There's the wife.
There's Dad. Where's the bird? Oh, the tin moved. I don't know who did that. Oh, don't put me on camera.
Well, put some clothes on. Now, who did this? All right. Okay. What do you got? What do you got there? Bear. Ice. Well, let's take a peek in here first. See what we got going on. This is the sunflowers. It's good. Okay, let's fill up these things. What do you think? Everybody, you think every time someone's talking, they're talking to you?
Oh.
I'm talking to them. Alright. I don't remember if we washed these or not, but there we go. Start filling this guy up. This one here takes a ton of seeds. And what's nice about this whole thing is... Oh, I'm going to do that now. Alright. Maybe like that. This will bring the squirrels in. It's one. That's not even a quarter full. Okay. And this should, the mice comes here, fills his little cheeks up, and heads up into the barbecue, for frick's sakes. Oh, one more scoop. I'm going to have to get some more of this from Costco. Got to get it before they run out again. Alright. Oops. Oh, that'll keep them going for a bit. Now, where'd the guys go? The dogs. Oh.
Come on. Come on.
No. Lots of sunflower seeds, that's for sure. Yeah, that one's full. What are you boys eating? These guys just finished eating chicken feet. Oh, gotta get another feeder. Alright. Gotta fix this one here pretty soon. It's wearing thin. I think I did wash these actually. Okay. Let's go for another one. Oh, there's even a piece of corn in this one. Imagine that. And a little more. It is a beautiful day out there. Wow. Okay. One more down. And we're going to have to get some suet from someplace. Yeah. The little bear. Come on, let's go. Okay. Those are done. One more scoop. We're going to run out here before Christmas. It's for darn sure. Alright. Let's see if we got any seed in the other one now. Lock her up. Keeps them. And the reason why I've got metal ones now is because the frickin' squirrels ate through the top of the other one. There we go. What's going on there? I'll just throw these out. Somehow they get out of that. There. And it probably wouldn't hurt to somehow they got all mucky. And of course I got a freaking super knot in here. Alright. Smile. Yeah. Let's see how much. Is it this one? Or this one? Which is the easiest? Ah, this one is. Okay. Now, take that there. What? There. Get this off again. Brand. Come on. That's that. Back through here. Back up through here. Something's wrong. Yeah, maybe. Let's see here. Tie them down so they don't come off. There. Put the old fancy knot to it. Okay. That should hold these for now. Something's not right yet. Hang on. I can do it right. So they I don't know how big that bag is. It's probably 50 pounds, if not more. Not that one on the ground. The other one sunflower seeds, and they go through two of those bags at least every winter. Here we go. Okay, garbage. And this bag is 16 kg. Alright, let me get rid of this first. I gotta come out here and we gotta fill this hole in. That hole and that hole. It's even though the mower's on a track, let's throw that there. And we're going to get rid of this. And I'll just put you out here for a second. See a piece of siding down there. Boys don't need this, that's for damn sure. Okay. There, that's that. Now, we got to get that filled up with all the brush that's left behind. And he's determined to clean out this entire section so it could be added into that potato patch part, but there's a ridge going through the side here that's got rocks on it. Ooh, doggy. Hey. Who wants the apple? Huh? Go find it. There's the boys. Hey? There goes Bear. And we've been very fortunate not to get a great big pile of burdocks on the docks. Only a little. When Storm gets them, Storm, look at me. Storm, hey, look. Yeah, when you get them, it's hell's to pay. These other two guys, it's easy to get them off. It's like a freaking jungle down in there. Did you get it? Where's the apple? He's got it. Hey, Bear, what you got? Not sure. What do you got? I think he's got it. Oh. Guess what these guys been doing? She had this fixed last year. Yeah, who did that? Storm? You ripped this apart again? What do you got? Well, he's got an apple. Can't get his. throw this in the garbage. There. This mailbox looking thing goes over the dryer vent. Huh. Oh, there's some more. Friggin' guys. There's little staples in there, and they step on them. And they go in their feet. Yeah, what do you think? Hmm? There we go. We'll just sit here for a few minutes and see if any birdies come before I go in. Alright. It doesn't take them long. Alright. Sit here and wait. Crank this thing around. Figure it out. Yeah, for frick's sakes. This tripod isn't the best. There. This should be good enough until the dog touches it. So, I'll show you something here. See those trees right there? We call those the soldiers. At the other end of that little pile of trees in there, there might be 50 of them. There's a triple row, maybe 4 rows. Maybe more than 50, I don't know. Anyway, at the other end of it, we drive the mower in, and you seen me logging there last winter, or last fall, and during the later summer. And I put the game camera down there. And if I don't forget, I'll add in the videos to the end here, and we have a young buck bouncing around down there, and a black bear. Now that black bear, I'm pretty sure, comes right down close to the house to eat the apples off the ground. There's apples right over here, and there's a bazillion apples down over the hill, and there's a few trees here, there, and everywhere. Well, come on, Burtts, let's go. And I need suet. They go in those little green square contraptions there. And a lot of times we'll get downy woodpeckers. The bigger one there, the plated one. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I'm not sure. He's a big bugger. Almost the size of a chicken. And all kinds of other little critters there come flying in there. But most of all, this turns out to be an entertainment center for the dogs, because the squirrels are determined to eat every bit of sunflower seeds that I put up there. Uh-huh. Well, I don't know if you could hear it, but there's a squirrel off in the distance chattering away there. Now my neighbor feeds his birds year round, but we don't normally do that. They gotta fend for themselves after the winter here. Well, come on there, chickadee. Huh. Oh, what do you got going on down here? You see the white tail down there? Here he comes. That's Dorn. The other day, what do you got there? Geez, I wish I could walk up there like that. Where's Ice? Ice go in? Huh? Bear? Bear. Got the apple? He's got really soft fur on his legs. This guy's got soft fur all the way around. Go get him, Bear. Bear, go get him. Oh, there's Ice. Hey, I forgot about you. You were sleeping over there, were you? Let me see your face. You know, got freaking dirt all over it. You're not going to bring that into the bed, are you? How come you never come and lay down with me? Huh? Oh, man, it's soft. Like my mom's mink fur coat that she had. Don't know where it happened to that. My dad was a good provider. Okay. There we go. Haven't seen the turkeys. We have some wild turkeys over the hill somewhere. Haven't seen them in a long time. Since spring. Come here, Bear. Come see Dad. Come on. Come on. Here he comes. Just moseying along. Hey, what do you got in your face? Yeah, let me see here. Look at that, hey? Look. These are nice dogs. They're all at least 100 pounds. Well, they're about 110 pounds or so. The smaller versions of these can be 180 pounds, these guys. And there's Ice. He's doing the usual. He can sleep anywhere and sleeps almost all day long. And you just love to have the action. You're going to be 2 in January. He'll be 5, and Storm will be 6, I think. I'll have to ask. You have to ask the wife that. You know, it's these birthday things. None of us guys seem to remember that much. But there wasn't many apples this year. surprised. We had an awful wet spring. It took forever to dry out. And then it was kind of late to get the garden in. Everything was kind of late. Aren't you a sweetheart, eh? Now this guy, he don't like getting touched on the top of the head. Watch what he does. Not going to do it. There he goes. He doesn't want it up there. He wants it down underneath. And I guess dogs don't like the petting of around the top of the head. Now check that out. The leaves are changing big time. Now after Fiona, didn't blow many of the leaves off the trees because they were still fairly green and stuck to the trees there, the twigs. But now they're starting to fall down. Hey, twitchy, twitchy, witchy. Now, I should make a video on just these dogs here. These are Santa's dogs I keep telling. Whoops, the kids. The dogs bark, and they're communicating to each other. And what I told my cousin's granddaughter, that these guys are in communication so that they can spread or tell Santa who's been naughty and who's been nice. As it goes, all these dogs are barking, and we have some down behind you here where you're looking, that bark, and then they barks to these guys, and then Santa comes down here just before Christmas, communicates with these guys, and I don't know, I've never seen him, but he gets the information, and he, oh, hello, bear. He knows who's been naughty and who's been nice, right? How about you? You've been good. Have you done anything? You pee in the house? I don't think so. Hey. I really like this guy. He's quite the character. And he loves to howl at the coyotes. And he joins in with the other two. And they just howl to beat the band. It's not very good, though, when they howl inside it in the middle of the night. Makes me want to go out and see if I can shoot that freaking coyote for riling them up. The other night, I was up at 3:30 to let Storm out. And, of course, you can't let one out without the others. So they all went out, and I had to sit in the friggin' chair waiting for them to come in. And they didn't come back in till daylight. And then, of course, they sleep all day. Right, Bear? Bear, look. Huh? What do you see? What do you see there, Mr. Happy? Let me see those big teeth of yours. Whoa. Yeah, that's a good shot. Where you going? They're always coming up to me at my desk. Sometimes I have a treat, and sometimes I don't. That reminds me, I got to go in there and fill up the treat container. I don't know what we would do if we ran out of treats. But that's how we get these guys in the house at night. Storm's the last one usually to come in, and he ends up getting most of the treats. Right? Tonight we're going to have a barbecue. One of the last barbecues of the year, I think. We were looking at roast yesterday in Costco. A prime rib I'd say maybe 4 bone prime rib was $90. Holy frig, that's a lot of money. They had some other ones, I think they were just bottom round or whatever, but you could get 2 for $40, which is still a lot of money. I would rather get a deep freezer and blast one of these deers over the hill here every once in a while, but a deer don't last very long. You could pretty well eat that thing up in a month or two. What do you say there, old buddy? Hey, what do you say? It's kind of hot for them right now. Or they'd be out there, he'd be getting the big guys to chase them. Hey? What do you say? Huh? Oh, look at that. There's a sweet spot. Hey, look at that. Hey. Where's Ice? Ice is sleeping, and Bear, Storm, I don't know where he went. He's underneath it somewhere. Hmm? Can you sing? Huh? So, these dogs are known to last about 10 to 12 years. I'll be 80 years old by the time this guy goes. Maybe not. So it's going to be harder to get him in and out of the truck, isn't it? Take you into the groomer. We take them into the groomers just to get their claws done and give them a good comb out. We comb them pretty near every day. But anyway, I think I'm going to go in. Eh? The big feet. Look at the big feet. Yeah? You got big feet. And here's something that, see here? That's a double dew claw. Right there. There's one there and one here. And that's how you can tell a Great Pyrenees. They got 2 dew claws in the back and one in the front. Weird. Not a lot of dogs have that. Hey, what you saying? Alright, this guy, he ain't going anywhere. He's enjoying the day. These 2 are buddies. Alright. And they tolerate the bully. He's usually hiding right there. There he is. He's the bully, Mr. Storm. Alright, watch out. Come on. Nope. Nope, not going in. Stay out. Okay. Lock it or lose it. Wow, it's dark in here now. Okay, I'm going to go. Thank you very much for coming. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.